We have long things to discuss. So don't worry. This was just day one, just to understand then how things works. Because until unless you will understand how things work, how do you know where to work? How do you know what to work? Now, today, did you get some idea where to work on your own? Where to work? Can you please share one by one if you want to? Like Suchiji, can you please share where to
Yes, sir.
work?
I got to know today, meditation, before meditation, it is very important to prepare yourself. And preparation is not just physically, this is surrounding, but it is also physically. Even if you have everything, if your mind is not calm, you cannot meditate, and vice versa. Even if your mind is calm and if your surrounding is not proper, or if you have any body ailment, you cannot concentrate. That is what I learned today. कि meditation क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है? Because there are so many limitations within us. And the second thing I learned that you need to understand your clients or your students that it is not possible for them to just come one day and start meditating, close your eyes and say Om and start meditation or start focusing. You need to make them practice, regular practice and regular awareness and most probably preparation. Telling them this, boss, it is not going to happen in one day. It takes a lot of time for you to prepare for my meditation. So this is what I learned. Thank
Great,
you.
Suchiji. Great, Suchiji. Thank you so much. And yes, like you just said, you have to tell your clients it is not only on the mat in this class, it is after the mat and before the mat also, wherever you are. That means 24 hours awareness, 24 hours of calmness, being aware with consciousness. That will lead to meditation. So, 23 hours of work for this 1 hour of work. Getting me? 23 hours, not a vice versa, not vice versa. You cannot do 1 ratio 23. No, 23 ratio 1. And it happens like this only, isn't it? Everywhere in the life. Weight loss, weight gain, muscle gain, sports performance, everything. Whatever you say. Good marks. What do you do for the good marks? You all are parents. What do you do for your kids? Only one day learning, studying one day, or every day throughout the year? Every day throughout the year, right? It is same thing. If you understand that, you understand this. Okay. Varsha ji?
Yeah, sir, I have to work on posture because in between it is tingling on legs and numbness and breathing also. I was very conscious and that breathing sometimes is fast, sometimes slow. That
Hmm.
I have to
Okay.
work. And
Okay.
I agree with Suchi ji.
Hmm. And something here also for both of you. Here, a lot of things were running. Yeah, we need to
Yeah, but
keep
we
them
could
calm.
come back actually.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
we need to keep
yeah,
them calm, right?
yes.
Right, slowly and gradually, that also. And that will not only happen just by thinking that we need to keep it calm. No, we need to stop throwing pebbles now. Understood? Whatever pebbles we have already thrown, gone, leave them. Now, from today onwards, you have to keep in mind that you are not going to generate any more those kind of experiences, right? Yama niyamas.
Yes. मैं कॉन्शियस हो रही थी, मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे क्या एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है, क्या एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है, ये थॉट हम बार 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 आ रहा था, इसलिए
It is something like I'm going to sleep. Oh, which dream I'm going to see today? Oh, which dream is going to come? Will it come? No. Dreams comes automatically on its own. Similarly, in meditation, everything, all experiences happens automatically. You don't have to look forward for it. You just need to sit there, right? And then stop getting any more experiences. That means no more negative feelings, no more hard feelings, good or bad. Good or bad, no more hard feeling. If there is good feelings also, but there is stronger feeling, they will also come here. And this is why samatvam yoguchyate, balance. We need balance. If we are balanced, if we are equal, equanimous in all kind of states, it will be fine. Then you will not get affected with anything. So whether it is good or whether it is bad, try to stay neutral in your life, day in, day out, day in, day out. Whatever happens in your life, try to stay equanimous. Yes, I'm not saying that if something is happening good, you should not enjoy it. Enjoy it, but don't get mad, because if you'll get mad there, completely into enthusiasm, then if something will happen wrong, then you'll be crying also. So we don't want that, right? We want to be completely balanced so that we are not completely overpowering here and then here also completely there. No, complete balance. If something happened, okay, I understood. If this happened there also, oh, that's great, yeah, I'll be happy, but I'm not getting mad over it. So that balance position we need to, from today only, this will help in meditation. See, this is going to help in meditation, trust me. No asana, no pranayama, but this is what is going to happen, help in meditation. Yes, Suchiji.
So I would just want to share one thing. As you spoke about being in balance or neutral and not get overexcited with good things and not get over sad, depressed by that negative thing. There's one statement that this too shall pass. So
This too
this
shall
too
pass.
shall pass. So
Shall
whenever
pass.
you are overexcited, whenever you're over depressed,
Yes.
you just have to think this too shall pass. So you will just come up, and that is I have my experience. You
Yes.
automatically आप बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होते हो ना, and you think
Yes.
of that statement, आप अपने आप शांत हो जाते हो.
Yes.
So this is
Yes.
a mantra
True,
which I
true, true.
have experienced.
Very nice,
Shall pass.
Suchiji. Yes, it is very beautiful lines. Yes, nothing is constant, isn't it? Only the change is constant, right? Yes, Z. What's your experience for today? What did you get out of it today? Where you need to work on? You shared that already with me, but anything specific? Anything related to mind, body, breath?
Um, I've read in your notes that sometimes when you really go deep into like the focus, what was that? That well for me, like well I'll relate it to my own personal experience today. When I get deep into the focus, I get headache. Is that normal?
Okay.
And I've been trying because I it's a struggle for me, and I think you've noticed I've been going in and out, and then I would really force my I know it shouldn't be forced, but this is new to me, so I would force myself to really get into the zone. And when I get so focused, I get a certain it's like a sharp pain in this area. Is that normal? Is there anyone else who also experienced that? Or was
Yes.
it just me?
Okay, Z. Thank you so much for sharing, Z. Yes. So, whenever we are not practiced, whenever we have not practiced and we have not trained for something and we do something too much too soon, it happens because of too much too soon. Okay. Anything, any problem comes because of too much too soon, whatever you say now, right? You can relate it anywhere. You want to fast, but you've never prepared for fasting ever. And now you are like, full day I will fast. So it is too much too soon. You have never lifted weights, but now today only you want to train everything in your life. Too much too soon will give you trouble. Similarly, focus and attention. You have never prepared yourself for focus and attention, concentration, and today only you want to with force, no, just here, just here. But it will do pain, headache, right? Too much, too soon. I will discuss this with everyone maybe tomorrow, that how mind works, and then we can understand more about the mind, that how and why and how to train the mind. Mind is a very good thing, but at the same time, it is very bad thing. Okay, the way you treat it, the way it will give back. It is that, be with awareness. So I will discuss that. But yes, Z, it is quite normal. If you will not just let it flow, and if you'll try to force it, it will give you trouble. We don't need to force it. We can't force with the, especially with the mind. No force. You cannot force it because it has many tricks more than you. It will just flip you. It will just flip you. It will just take you. It will just take you like this. Or if you force it too much, it will give you headaches. It will give you nausea. It will give you some kind of sort of pain. It will give you. So we have to train it slowly and gradually, just like a baby. Mind is a notorious child. We need to train it to come back to be very, normal, so that it can listen to you now. It is that. Mind is a wild horse. I will discuss it about it tomorrow. Mind is a wild horse. Okay. So if anyone wants to leave, you can keep on leaving, guys, until the time I'm talking to others. Okay. Hinaji, you are only left, I think. Z, you want to talk something? Okay, you want to buy, you can also buy. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Yes, Hinaji?
यस सर। सर बॉडी के ऊपर जब तक फोकस था तब तक पता चल रहा था कि हाँ पैरों में क्या हो रहा है, बॉडी में क्या हो रहा है, स्पाइन किस तरह से है, सब कुछ। लेकिन जब फोकस यहाँ पे चला गया तो ऐसा नहीं था कि विचार मीन्स हाँ विचार जा रहा है, मन बाहर जा रहा था, वापस आ रहा था, जा रहा था, वापस आ रहा था, लेकिन आफ्टर सम टाइम यहाँ पे स्टेबल मीन्स वो जो ड्यूरेशन टाइम था वो बढ़ रहा था, एक जगह पे फोकस था, देन वापस जा रहा था, लेकिन बहुत इमीडिएटली वापस आ रहा था। तो ये मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया। एंड जब मंत्र चैंटिंग का आपने बोला तब तो टोटली बस वो मंत्र के ऊपर ही फोकस था, और पता नहीं क्या था वो, क्या कैसे वो एनर्जी फील हो रही थी सर। एंड सर मैं अभी जब ये बात आप कर रहे थे कि टोटली अवेयरनेस, तभी एक मेन डोर पे एक डिलीवरी बॉय आया था, तो वो सामान देके चला गया, तो वहां पे मेरा कनेक्शन हो गया कि यस थॉट भी इसी तरह से है, उसको एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं करना है, आया और लेट गो। सर तो बहुत कुछ वर्क करना है मन के ऊपर, क्योंकि चित्त वृत्ति निरोध। तो अब पता चल रहा है कि मन किस तरह से चल रहा है, एंड कितना अगर हम अवेयर रहते हैं उससे तो विचार कम हो जाते हैं। तो 24/7 बस वो
24/7.
अवेयरनेस।
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच।
That's great. That's great. Very nice. Very beautiful experience you had, Hina जी. Good. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस आपको हुआ. वेरी गुड. एंड जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बोला था, ये तभी होगा जब आप होने दोगे, राइट? बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले से ही दे प्री प्लान व्हाट दे आर गोइंग टू फील, व्हाट दे आर गोइंग टू, देन इट विल नेवर हैपन. Then it will never happen. You just have to sit. That's it. This is what everyone, the biggest yogis जो है उन्होंने भी यही बोला है, बस कुछ नहीं करना है, बैठना है, सिंपल। और धीरे धीरे ये जो सालों के और जन्मों के जो अंदर लेके हम बैठे हैं एक्सपीरियंसेस, वो एकदम से तो नहीं चले जाएंगे, राइट? तभी उन्होंने बोला भाई ये तो 24/7 की प्रैक्टिस है, जो हो गया वो तो हो गया, नए मत पैदा होने दो, नए विचारों को, नए एक्सपीरियंसेस को मत आने दो, क्योंकि अगर वो आएंगे तो आप दोबारा से पत्थर फेंक रहे हो लेक में, वो नहीं करना है। वो जितना कम हो जाएगा उतना जल्दी आपका लेक समतल हो जाएगा, तब भी अंदर से एक दो बबल्स आएंगे, राइट? पतंजलि ने कहा तब भी नीचे कुछ ना कुछ होगा जो उठ के आएगा, उसे भी ऐसे ही जाने देना है, उसे भी ऐसे ही जाने देना है। फिर आप पहुंचते हो निर्बीज में, समाधि में, राइट? देन उसके बाद आप पहुंचते हो लास्ट में धर्म में की समाधि में, राइट? सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड ऑल दिस समाधीज आर व्हाट, दे आर जस्ट एनलाइटनमेंट, मतलब आप अवेयर हो गए हो, आप यू आर स्टेबल इनटू प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस, जस्ट लाइक बुद्धा। नाउ यू आर नॉट अटैच्ड टू एनीथिंग। यही तो है सारा गेम, सारा गेम तो अटैचमेंट का ही है ना, सारा गेम ही वही है। ये वहां क्यों जा रहा है? अटैचमेंट। मैं स्मेल क्यों कर रहा हूं? अटैचमेंट। मैं सुन क्यों रहा हूं? अटैचमेंट, राइट? एवरीथिंग इज अटैचमेंट, है कि नहीं? इस अटैचमेंट से डिटैच कैसे हुआ जाए, वही तो योग है। अभी बहुत अच्छी बात है ये, एक और इट इज वेरी आयरनी की पीपल नो योगा एज यूनियन, बट योगा इज नॉट यूनियन, योगा इज सेपरेशन ऑफ पुरुष एंड प्रकृति, राइट? In the beginning you can say it is union, but in the end Samkhya Yoga says it is separation of Purusha and Prakriti. जब वो separation of Purusha and Prakriti होगा तो आपका सफल होगा पूरा योगा। अदरवाइज इन द बिगनिंग जो लोगों को पता है योग इज यूनियन और बॉडी माइंड ब्रेथ, या इन द बिगनिंग इट्स ओके फाइन, बट हमको एवोल्यूशन प्रोसेस में जहां हम आ गए हैं ऐसे, उससे वापस जाना है, वापस जाना है, वापस। ये पतंजलि ने बोला है बुक में, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं, पतंजलि ने बोला है, राइट? कि वापस जाना है। तो वापस की प्रतिक्रिया क्या है? शरीर, सेंसेस हटाओ, सब कुछ हटाओ, धीरे धीरे सारी चीजें हटा रहे हो आप, ईगो हटता है, सब हटता है, चित्त हटता है, फिर गुण गुण सब चीजें हटती जाती हैं, सब हटता है, लास्ट में पुरुष एंड प्रकृति रिमेन्स, वो भी हट जाता है। तो योगा में तो भगवान से भी मिलने का कोई वो नहीं है, योगा में सिर्फ अपने आप को जानने का प्रावधान है। शाम के योग को देखोगे तो इट इज ऑल अबाउट नो योर सेल्फ, दैट इज इट। आपको कहीं नहीं मिलना, कहीं नहीं जाना, आपको बस अपने आप को ढूंढना है। जिस दिन आपने वो प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस फाइंड आउट कर ली अपनी, तो आप आ गए स्वरूप में अपने। तो वो फोर्थ जो आपका सूत्र है कंप्लीट हो गया। वही उतने तक ही है योग, उतने तक ही है योग। योग असलियत में पहले चार उसमें ही योग सूत्र खत्म हो जाता है और योग खत्म हो जाता है। लेकिन वो समझने के लिए फिर और सूत्र दिए गए हैं कि ऐसे 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 विधियां बताई गई हैं। सो यही है, तो ये भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे बाद में, है ना। तो ये सारी इंटरनल जर्नी है, इसके लिए बाहर में डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहना है हम लोगों को, ठीक है। सो वी नीड टू जस्ट गो इनसाइड। अपनी खुद की प्रैक्टिस है, आप बाहर से खरीद नहीं सकते हो, किसी शॉप में ही आपको अवेलेबल नहीं होगा, कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, कोई नहीं दे सकता, कोई अच्छे से बड़े से बड़ा गुरु आपको नहीं दे सकता। अगर वो दे सकता होता तो वो गुरु खुद के लिए कर लेता, खुद सोचो, है कि नहीं। कोई नहीं दे सकता, कोई आपको दे के आपको इनलाइटन नहीं कर देगा, आपको खुद ही करना है। सबकी अपनी अपनी जर्नी है। यस, गाइडेंस हो सकती है, बोट मिलेगा, कहीं कार मिलेगा, कहीं प्लेन मिलेगा, कहीं रॉकेट मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा, लेकिन जाना तो खुद पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना। तो आज जो हमने सीखा उसे ध्यान में रखेंगे, इसके ऊपर बेस्ड होगा अब सारा, जितने भी डेज हैं अब सारे, ऑल द प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिसेस, मेडिटेशन प्रैक्टिसेस विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दिस ओनली, व्हाट वी हैव लर्न टुडे, ठीक। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्कार, सी यू टुमारो। ओके वर्षा जी, बाय। बाय हिना जी,
थैंक यू सो मच सर,
थैंक यू
थैंक
सो
यू।
मच।